Welcome back to Caden World. Today, we're building something a little different, a retro-style clamping block set with a classic cassette recorder design. This is the ZURU Max Premium Retro Series cassette recorder, and this capsule comes with 157 pieces. It's priced at around $9, and it's designed to be fun, creative, and easy to enjoy, whether you're building casually or adding it to a collection. The pieces are compatible with leading brick brands, and the build focuses on simple construction techniques with lots of small retro details throughout. So let's open the capsule, lay out the pieces, and start building this retro cassette radio. If you enjoy relaxing builds like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more builds like this. Enjoy the build!